Hello guys, how are you? We're back again. I need to show you how to stretch a Bobo balloon. Okay, so I've got a giant Bobo here, which I'm going to show you how to stretch it and the procedure on how to stretch it. Especially sometimes if you don't follow the procedure, it will go on one side or it blows bigger on the other side and the other side will be smaller. So what you need to do with this balloon is you need to stretch it first with your hands before you use the air machine. Okay. So now take my Bobo, stretch it with my hands, stretch it with my hands, stretch it with my hands. Okay. So now I'm done stretching with my hands. Now I'll put it on the machine. So if you're not satisfied again with the shape of it, deflate it completely. Then stretch. Okay. Now again, you stretch. And this is what we do with the small one as well. Nice and round. This is how you stretch your bobos. So first you stretch with your hands. After that you put in your machine, or you put it on the machine, and then if you're not satisfied again with the shape of it, then you deflate it and stretch it with your hands again, and then lastly you use the machine. Definitely an accurate shape, which is this one here. Okay. Thank you guys. Have fun and enjoy.